Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial, just like a little bit about the vehicle. We're at 2023 Stingray, 70th anniversary. That he started in 1953. Pretty sweet car, like, man. You can hear the vents. You see that these air ducts actually really work. It's super sweet, man. I love the car, to be honest. It has two trunks, trunk in the back and a trunk in the front. Dumb California drivers. But a little bit about the car, really dope. How you get the trunk open. I mean the trunk for the engine, you know, because the engine's in the back. Red guts on the inside. Both performance speakers, Sirius system. That's how you pop the trunk version, unlock the doors. Pedal shifters. I'm about 6 foot, 5'11", you know, 5'11" and a quarter. I call myself 6 foot, you know. So this is the car itself. Just starting it up. I just put some gas in it. Getting ready to go. Take it back to the guy. I rented it from Toro down in LA. Went out to LA for the week. Went to Disney. Some things like that. Had some fun. But it's a pretty dope car. This is where you put the phone for the charge. Charge your iPhone. Quick charge. Just for all the AC and stuff like that. And then let's get into like the different sport modes, things like that. Just the features I think is super cool on this car, and different things. I have some other POV footage for you guys too as well from when I went to the car show this morning. So this right here is traction control off, obviously. Kick it back on. In a minute I'll do a POV with the traction control off. This raises the car, so like basically you get to a bump or you get to anywhere, like you go high spaces, because the car's pretty low. I won't say super low, but pretty low, so you can raise the car so you don't hit, scrape, or mess up the little lip that they have in the front. I think that's pretty dope. And also, like, if you double click it when you press it, it actually saves the, like, where you just raised the car. So next time you get there, it raises the car by itself, so you don't even have to worry about it. The next thing I'll say on here is, like, it has a front camera, so when you're about to park, so you don't, like, scrape your lip, you hit the front camera, and boom, it shows you right where you are. I think that's, like, super dope. I love that on that mode. Another thing this thing has is, basically, like, it tells you what, try to turn this camera off real fast, go back to the home screen. So, to the home screen. When you go into the different sport modes, it'll let you know. So this is track mode. I'll give you guys some revs. That's track mode. We go to sport mode. And it like shows you like in each mode, like what the engine does, how much the sound, steering, suspension, engine shifts, braking, all that. And then we go down to tour mode. Tour mode I would say is like the least mode, like the engine's low, shifts, suspension's down. That's like basically you're taking corners, or somebody who doesn't know how to drive the car, I would say. Something like that. Or I wouldn't even say that, just like you want just to take corners and handle like that. This is my mode, so not my car, so my mode with them, this is what they have. I think this is pretty dope. Sounds crazy. And then I would say my favorite mode for the car to be in is this mode right here. You hit the Z button here. You hear the valves open up, you hear the exhaust sound different, and then boom, this is all that pops on here when this opens up. Pretty sick. So everything's up to the max. PTM, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to look it up and see what the PTM stands for. I'll give you guys a quick rev in that mode, so you guys can see what happens in that mode. The car's pretty sweet, man. It's pretty hot outside, still running at a good temp. That sitting here got up to 199. We've only been sitting here for like what, 15 minutes, something like that. And it's 102 outside. Right here, the tire status, it shows you how warm the tires are. Obviously, with a little bit more PSI in the front passenger side tire. Everything else looks pretty fine at 35 on the low pros. And the tires are warm. It's like pretty sweet, man. This car, to me, I would say is one of my, I would say definitely is my favorite car for sure that I've ever got to drive. In a few weeks, I'm going to be driving a 70th anniversary GTR. And then a few weeks after that is my my born day. I'll be turning 30 this year, guys. So then I will be making the decision what I should buy, what I should add to my channel. Right now, I have 3 cars on my channel. Looking to add a 4th. looking at a V8 or something American, or if it's not American, I want something so JDM that everybody, I want a neck breaker, something that's snapping necks, putting people in neck braces, things like that. But the power, I'm definitely gonna get some power out of it, but really my power car, the car that I want, but it's gonna be really, really fast, and you know, I'm gonna run people, and it's gonna be the G35. Everything else, I just, it's gonna be a daily. I'm gonna drive it, and I just want to have fun in it. Just something that I like to have fun in. I'm gonna be able to create content and just help other people with their builds and things like that. That's what I want to do with this channel, and that's what Turbo Daily is gonna like really stand for and be about, guys. So thank you guys for tuning in. Gonna get up out this video. I'm gonna be doing a lot of these, man. I'm gonna get in basically G80s, basically everything. I'm gonna have some friends that have pretty sweet builds, hop in their cars, do POVs, and just do what I'm doing right now. And thank you guys for tuning in, man. Check you guys out later. Like and subscribe, please, guys. That's another thing that I really need you guys to do. Please like and subscribe. I did the snap thing a little early, so I'm gonna pop it again. Boom. See you guys.